keeps us alive. Roots run deep in sacred ground. Wisdom whispers a healing sound. Mountains calling, rivers flow, freedom's waiting, let it show. Rise up. Lift your soul to the sky above. Zion light, Zion light. Through the struggle, through the strife. Zion light, Zion light. One love burning keeps us alive. Echoes of the drum, they guide my way. Stars light the path, night turns to day. Every heartbeat, a song of hope. Every step forward helps us cope. Drums they hum, echoes of freedom. Here they come, Gongo Road, where the stories grow. A place of fire, a place to know. Gongo Road, let the rhythm flow. Gongo Road, where the good vibes grow. Step in time, feel the bassline glow. Gongo Road, it's the only road I know. Feet on the dirt, roots hold me tight. Smoke in the air, stars burn bright. The lion roars, the winds they sigh. Gongo Road, where the spirits fly. They said no hope, they said no way, but the rhythm speaks, it breaks the gray. Gongo Road, we rise, we play. Rebel hearts never fade away. Gongo Road, let the rhythm flow. Gongo Road, where the good vibes grow. Step in time, feel the bassline glow. Gongo Road, it's the only road I know. The night falls, but the fire stays. Gongo Road, in a dub haze. Gongo Road, the beat, the praise. Gongo Road, through endless days. The sun dips low, the tide rolls in. A rhythm of waves where dreams begin. Salt in the air and fire on skin. Bay dawning, bay dawning. The world is still while time keeps calling. Bay dawning, bay dawning. Bay dawning, bay dawning. Bombs sway slow, the stars ignite. A whispering breeze sings through the night. Footsteps fade in soft moonlight.